Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone guys, more connection setting guys, and today video title is guys how to on guys aeroplane mode in our Infinix phone device from phone setting, and how can we use it. Today guys I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, now let's see guys how can we on guys Infinix phone guys aeroplane mode. In this video guys we will talk about it. So first of all guys, you will have to on guys your phone setting guys. So after on phone setting guys, scroll it. Once you can see more connection setting, tap here. Once you can see your aeroplane mode, so guys we will on from here. After on guys, mobile network will off guys, we cannot use, and guys phone calls will off. So when we can use Wi-Fi network. So guys, now let's see how can we use net in aeroplane mode means Wi-Fi. So we will select guys any Wi-Fi, and we will enter guys this Wi-Fi password. So guys, I know this Wi-Fi password, I will enter it and I will connect. So friends, you can see Wi-Fi network guys will connect, and when we can use guys Wi-Fi network while flight mode is on. So like that guys we can use it, and guys we can on it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to enable, how to on guys dial aeroplane mode and how to use it in Infinix phone. So bye guys.